Here we go on the dodgems at Ocean Beach. Very slow. Hope I'll start all this. I'll do faster. There's only two people on it, me and the worker. Here we go. There's no music sadly, but still it's good waltzer. Well, not waltzer, dodgers, not one of it. I like the lights as well. Nice waltzer too. Tons of waltzers next to it. I'll be a good POV because there's only two on. I'm only videoing two rides here tonight because there's a lot of things closed due to the weather. And some rides I might not video because I got the video already on my channel. But I hope everyone's doing well. If you see me, come over and say hi anyway you see me. I always forget to say that. Very wet as well here. There's a Matterhorn going. My mum's off ride as well watching. The new jumping frod's over there as well. That looks good, that one. I'll get some pictures as well of like, the prey boxes and things like that as well, and the artwork. If you like that sort of stuff, then that'll be on Facebook and TikTok. There's the twister going. It's an old school one, that one. There's the pirate ship. That's not on sadly, but that's there. At least that's got a cover over the dodgems. But yeah, I'm absolutely wet because of the rain. These are not the cheapest dodgems, they're £4 each. If you are coming on. Because the points are £1 each. My mum's off ride at my cousin's start as well. But yeah, that'll be good when that opens up, the new jump fraud. I'll get some off-ride footage of that whenever it opens up. It's not opening up today, but I mean whenever it does, I'll come back here and maybe get a video of it. And I did hear that they're getting like a paratrooper as well here. But that'll be good. That waltzer was good, they got like 6 minutes and 17 seconds on it.
Oh no. Please wait for the cars to stop completely. Then next right, please.
Oh, that was good, I enjoyed that.